Hi everyone. What I really liked about Module 8 is the fact that all of you showed great application to your experience and context through our discussions. In this module, we explored real-life insights from organizational leaders on various issues of diversity. Not only was it nice to see you capture the essence and key takeaways from the readings, but what I also found intriguing is that knowing your background and contexts, which ones you selected. I guess selecting also reveals a sense for the diversity of ideas and thoughts in this class. Speaking of the diversity of this class, as you recall at the beginning of this class, each of you took a SECU assessment to which we've discussed many aspects as it applies to you individually and to some extent in an organization. What I think you'll find interesting is our SECU assessment results as a class. That is, what is our collective sense of SECU? Were there any insights for us as a learning community? So here are some interesting facts based on this assessment. Now, in terms of gender, the class is 40% male and 60% female. An average of 1.4 languages are spoken per person. Don't ask me what the 0.4 languages means, though. 40% of you speak 2 or more languages, and as a whole, we have a moderate level of intercultural experience coming into this class. This is great. Now here's the fun part. Our SECU scores as compared to worldwide norms. Let's start with SECU Drive. The worldwide norm is 75, and the score for our class was 85, well above, which points to our commitment to diversity. In terms of SECU knowledge, the worldwide norm is 54, and ours was 57, again above the norm. These first two capabilities are in the moderate range, which is good. I think you'll like what comes next. SECU strategy. The worldwide norm for this is 67, and ours was 79, a full 12 points above the norm. This puts us in the high range for strategy. If you think about it, this makes sense, as wanting to take this class in the first place brings an automatic awareness of cultural issues. Add to that the first couple of weeks when we paused for reflection on cultural issues. This was a good thing to do and helped set up our collective experience together. Now finally, SECU action, where the worldwide score is 65. Ours was a 77. Again, in the high range, and it's great to know that words we say and actions we take are cognizant of others. As I reflect on the aggregate scores, this class is indeed a microcosm of the diversity of our world. I remembered what I said at the beginning of class about how each of you bring talents, skills, abilities, and experience that enrich our time. And while I sensed that at the outset, these results confirm just that. Next week, we'll continue with these readings. And some more exploration of real-world examples. We'll do one more discussion that synthesizes leadership theory, so go back and review those once again. That's all for now, so have a good weekend, and I'll see you all online.